it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day as always. Thank each and every single one of you for taking the time to stop by the channel and watch my videos. Greatly appreciate it. Today's video is another update video about something that I posted just a few days ago, actually. What is that? Well, we'll get to it in just a minute, but it's about Kevin Hart again. Now, like I said, this is an update video because sure as the world, the very day that I posted the video, they came out with an update, and in that video, and I'll post it up there so you can check it out if you'd like to, but in that video I said that whenever an update came available I would. So here we go, this is the update video. So before you watch this video, if you'd like to, go check out that video so you know everything that's going on. Now this is going to be a super short video compared to my normal standards. But the following story, the information has come from TMZ, and you know TMZ, they seem to know all the inside information whenever it comes to stars and stuff like that. So that's where this information came from. So if any of it's incorrect, please go blame them. But the update is that Kevin Hart is not currently looking to sue anyone, because in that video that I posted a minute ago, I mentioned that, you know, there possibly could be a lot of lawsuits flying around. Now, according to TMZ, like I said, he is not currently planning on suing anyone. He is not currently planning a lawsuit against Jared, who was the driver of the car, who basically caused these spinal fractures that he had. And Jared suffered some injuries almost equivalent, if not as bad, as Kevin Hart's. But he is currently not planning on suing anybody. He's not planning on suing Jared for medical. He's not planning on filing a claim on Jared's insurance. He's not even trying to sue for the loss of the car. You know, this is not a cheap car. It's a redone, resto-modded 1970 Barracuda. The name of the car was called Menace. But yeah, he's not even trying to recoup that money, which I really don't see how, because he could even think that he could, because it was his car. He was letting the other guy drive, and you know how that is. Go ahead, gun it. This is good straightaway. Gun it, gun it. You know how it is.
More power, baby. More power, baby.
Now, I had to take my glasses off and put on my reading eye dogs for this next part, because this adds to the whole strangeness of this story. I mean, the whole thing is just very peculiar and odd. Kevin Hart released a press release regarding his injuries and, you know, what all was going on. And I'm going to read it for you now. His press release says the following, quote, "I have nothing but love for Jared and wish Jared and Rebecca a speedy recovery," unquote. Now wait a minute. I have nothing but love for Jared and wish Jared and Rebecca a speedy recovery. You don't have love for Rebecca? Huh? What? Wait, what? She was in the car too. You big dummy, she was in the car too. Matter of fact, you had her thrown back in the back where there is no seat, on top of a little box for the speakers and stuff. I mean, you don't have love for her? Wow. Jared, I don't know about you, but if that was my fiance, I would be livid, buddy. I would be hot. Now again, this whole story's just been weird, and this is going to be the last update I put out there on it because it's just crazy. I mean, Anika, Kevin Hart's wife, even put out a statement talking about how Kevin Hart was incoherent the whole time when he was at home, you know, due to his injuries, which I kind of figured that would be what was said, which I could understand that. He was just in a wreck. But okay, an hour and a half went by before you called 911. You could have called Anika, but if you listen to the 911 tape in the other one, you kind of understand why. She was pretty incoherent also. But you could have called an hour and a half earlier, or the security guy that pulled Kevin out of the wreckage could have called 911. If I was the other two people, and they've lawyered up, Jared and Rebecca, but if I was those two people, oh, Kevin, you would have a lot to worry about as far as lawsuits, buddy. I guarantee you that. And final thoughts on this whole situation, which it makes it even strange yet again. Kevin Hart, after he released his statement about wishing Jared them love and whatnot, he's telling all of his friends and family members and everything he's trying to distance himself from this whole situation. He said he wants to focus on his current projects that he has in the works, even though he's still got several months of recovery, which you could check that out on YouTube or anywhere you want to, because he's posting a lot of videos about that as well. But yeah, it just adds to the whole thing. It's like, it's over, let's push it under the table and let's move forward. For whatever reason, he's not wanting to dwell on it. He doesn't want people to dwell on it. He wants everybody to just forget that it happened. And that just adds more to the weirdness of the whole story. But I just wanted to put that out there for you guys, because like I said in the other video, I'll give you an update when it comes in. And right now it looks like no lawsuits. If something major would happen with it, I might make another update video, but this will probably be the last one. But either or, I really appreciate each and every one of you for stopping by. You guys have a great day and enjoy your car. I'm on my way home. I just got off work and I'm going to enjoy my weekend. Hope you do the same. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.